Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel. And here click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile. And after restarting your mobile, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then check your internet connection if it's working good or not. So if your internet is not working, then change your internet network, and after changing the internet network, swipe down and from here turn off the power saving mode. So if you have turned on the power saving mode, then turn it back off, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now here click on reset and then click on reset mobile network settings. Now here click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.